how to check or change email ID on TikTok. So if you want to check your email ID or if you want to change your email ID on TikTok, then first of all open up your TikTok application, and once you've opened, now you can simply go for the bottom right which has that profile icon. Tap on that profile and then go for the upper right which has that three band icon. Go for settings and privacy, and here you can go for account which is on the first option, and here on the first again you will have account information. Tap on account information, and here you will have your email option. So from here you can check your email. So this is your email that you have used while creating your account. So this email is linked to your account and is only visible to you. If you change it, it may still be retained for account recovery purposes. So if you want to change your email ID, then you can simply tap on change email, and here you can change your email. So you need to enter the new email address which you would like to add to your TikTok, and after entering that email you can tap on send code, and you will receive the code to your email address so that you can enter that code here, and after entering, your email ID will be changed. So that's how you see, or that's how you change your email ID on TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.